everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today I want to talk to you about a couple of different products, and I want to share with you about how I obtain flight video outside the cockpit. When I first had the desire to do flight video, I began searching and noticed that many of the products were extremely expensive. You could say I had quite a bit of sticker shock, but I ran into, first of all, a really inexpensive camera product, and it's called APEMAN cameras. Now the one I'm going to show you right now is the one I use for recording outside the cockpit. This is their 1080p model. It's about $30 on Amazon.com. But I will have to add that I got this one absolutely free. You see, I purchased another one of their cameras, and because I did a review, they sent me this one at no cost. And this is the one that I use outside the cockpit as a record off the wing strut. The particular mount that I use is the Steady Slim Strut Mount 2, and it's by Flight Flix. And you can pick this up off Amazon.com, but it's a really sturdy aluminum bracket, and it swivels in multiple directions, and it has a really nice rubber strap to keep it secured to the strut. I do want to add that this particular box or camera mount was not supplied by the Flight Flix company. You have to purchase a separate one on your own and attach it to the mount. This one here was supplied by the APEMAN company, and it comes with your purchase of the camera. It's a really nice weatherproof accessory for your camera. Now this product comes with assembly instructions, which you're required to follow step by step. And the reason why is on the front, it tells you that this is only an FAA approved or FAA acceptable device if you follow not only the assembly instructions but the actual mounting instructions as well. So I want to quickly give you an idea of how this product is mounted, and after that we'll go and look and see how it's mounted on an actual Cessna 150. So here's my packing tube, and it would be at a real similar angle to this on a Cessna 150. And what you do is you just seat this bracket right there on the strut. You bring this strap around, feed it through this loop, you tighten it, and then you stretch it back around and stretch it until you can get it attached to this nut or this bolt right here. And I'll demonstrate that on a Cessna 150 in the following video. So that's all I have to share right now about the Flight Flix Steady Action Cam mount, and you're going to learn a little bit more as you watch the following footage. Well, hey everyone, this is Brother D, and I want to take just a moment to show you how to install the Flight Flix Steady camera mount. So you take the strap and you undo it like this. You simply mount this bracket here about where you'd like it to go. Let me take my gloves off. Just like that. And you're going to want to take this nut off, hold it in your hand or in your pocket. I prefer to put it in my pocket. I'm going to mount it a little bit higher today. I want to capture myself, the pilot, and a little bit of the scenery off to the right side of the plane. So this should be a good position right here. So you take this strap, you feed it through this loop. Tighten it up. And you pull it around. Like so. And loop it right over that nut that's sticking out. Excuse me, the bolt that's sticking out. Now I'm actually going to have to reposition the camera to get it aim where I want it to be. So the company provides you with an Allen wrench, which is very helpful, but you also need a crescent wrench. There's a lock nut right here just to secure things. I'm going to take it off in a second. Then I'm going to loosen this nut right here. That way I can swivel the camera around. And I'm going to go ahead and pop my handy dandy 8-man camera in here. Now something I need to note is this camera case is not supplied by the Flight Flix company. Turn the camera on so I can see what I'm looking at. I think I got it about where I want it. So all I'm going to do now is tighten it up. Swivel the camera down just a little bit. And I need to put the lock nut back on. And there it is, the Flight Flix Rock Steady camera mount, all set up and ready to go. So this clip right here gives you a really good idea about the placement of the camera on the wing strut and exactly what it's recording. So right here you can see I'm climbing into the airplane and I'm getting ready to do my pre-start checklist so that I can go ahead and start the engine.
Clear prop.
So the reason why I'm sitting here after cranking the propeller is that the battery only had enough juice to turn over the engine one time. At least 2 or 3 times a year I'll go out to pre-flight the airplane and then have to go home because of some kind of mechanical issue with the aircraft. Well, since I couldn't complete the flight, let me show you some footage of the Rock Steady camera mount on a Cessna 170B.